Yeah, right about now, we don't begin tender for government house where we say we want to begin to talk with some umbrella person who concern Edo State and APC, where we say the present government today, na political party now produce the government. And the person who start Gidigba with us, so na person who all of now know whether they call Mr. Emperor, we be Oga Gidigba, we be there for APC for the state. He next still remain Jarret Tenebe, we want to man for the matter where we say some of these vehicles where they recover from people, so now matter where we say he's saying go took my put. And the one where we say concern where, and the one where concern the PDP candidate, whether they call Mr. Asue Ighodalo, where be say as at yesterday, the committee when he recover vehicles say as at yesterday they don't record 21 vehicles in possession where be say they under Asue Ighodalo. Anybody fit talk with they like, but I will get the side of the Asue Ighodalo now we go know the balance information we go take. But today, Emperor Tenebe say in go took math well. If he be say want tell us, make Edo people understand some areas we don't know.
We have the almighty Asue Ighodalo here. The Jarret Ighodalo indeed, the PDP gubernatorial candidate of the just concluded election. He has over 21 cars in his possession. 21 cars. We have the videos of those cars. He was using during the campaign. Immediately after he was defeated, he transported those cars to Lagos.
We want to appeal to them, especially the candidate of the PDP, Barrister Asue Ighodalo, and it is good for us to also advise them as a father, as a leader in the state, that they should do the right thing by returning those vehicles.
Tenebe, sir, make you tell us what happened for the area of recovery of vehicles for the state.
You know, say yesterday, the vehicle recovering committee came up to tell the whole world that Asue stole 21 vehicles. Asue Ighodalo stole 21 vehicles. And don't forget that last week, when I was responding to some of the criticism from the Asue Facebook urchins, I clearly said that he is a thief. And just yesterday, the Asset Verification Committee have also come out to say Asue stole 21 vehicles. But what I want to tell Asue Ighodalo is that by tomorrow he's caught. And those vehicles that he stole, he has to return them. If not, by tomorrow, we will be in court to ensure that those vehicles are taken from him. We will definitely be in court tomorrow to ensure that those vehicles that Asue stole from government, 21 vehicles that he stole from government, he returns them. And that's why I'm in Edo State today, so that by tomorrow I will be in court to ensure that Asue will not enter that court until he returns those vehicles.
Okay, what we they talk now? Be said the people will be said that they recover these vehicles, so they don't give you the list and the locations where those 21 vehicles. Then they.
Yeah, they don't track those vehicles, and their vehicles are tracked to him, and they have sent messages to him to return those vehicles. Till now, he has not returned anyone. So those vehicles are in his possession. He stole those vehicles.
Okay, what will they talk about Edo State today? Asue Ighodalo, chairman for economic team matter for 8 years. And whether he did right for Asue Ighodalo to carry 21 vehicles for the state for 8 years, now we they talk about. Make you chook back for this matter because this one of your government will be say when I produce as APC. Whether he did right for an appointee to get 21 vehicles.
You know they right for appointee to get 21 vehicles. The point is that not even only the vehicles. He was the chairman of Alagodao and the financial advisor to the government of Edo State as at that time, during Obaseki's time. But the same Asue Ighodalo, the same Obaseki gave Asue Ighodalo a government where he is serving. He gave his firm a contract for financial advising and everything. That is Bawo and Ighodalo. Is that not stealing? It's clear that that is stealing, which is not supposed to be. He is not supposed to be a judge over his matter. You're not supposed to give a contract from where you are serving a government that you are part of. You gave contract to yourself. That is the meaning. And it does not follow the law. And there are aspects of law that he has breached. So we are waiting for him. This is a clear message to him that we maintain that he's a thief and he remains a thief until we get to court and he goes to prove it otherwise.
Asue Ighodalo, you go stand Gidigba for yourself to defend yourself. Say the 21 vehicles is not in your possession, and 2 na allegation that they put for your head. We open to everybody where be say anybody talk anything against. We ready Gidigba for una to come make una own side to us. Make una not forget say as we see her, and so we they talk am. This one at TMC TV Radio. My name still remain the articulate patron. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much.